Today I am going to show you a model of Pythagoras Theorem. So what do we mean by Pythagoras Theorem? Yes, Pythagoras Theorem was first invented in the ancient Greece. It was first invented by a great philosopher of ancient Greece called Pythagoras. We use this Pythagoras theorem to measure a right angle triangle to know that whether a right angle triangle is measured equal or not. The sum of these two sides is equal to this side. That means the sum of base plus perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse square. For example, a square plus b square is equal to c square. So as you can see that this is the longest side and the unknown side which we name as hypotenuse. And this side is called the base side and this is the smallest one. This is called the perpendicular side, so we can name it as perpendicular square. As I told before, these two sides can make up these two sides. For example, as you can see that this is the hypotenuse side, this is base side and the perpendicular side. Base plus perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse. So these two sides add up this side. So these two sides has completely filled up this side. Thus, we can say that the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides. So, the theorem, the Pythagoras theorem, is helpful in checking whether a given triangle is a right angle or not. Hence, if the sum of the third side, for example, if the sum of the third side, the sum of this third side is equal to these two sides. I know that you may be wondering, so how can we use this Pythagoras theorem in our day-to-day life or in a real-life examples? Some of the real-life examples of the Pythagoras theorem are like the monument called the Louvre Pyramid in France, Paris. It was built in the ancient with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. So we can say that Pythagoras theorem is helpful in building triangular objects, triangular bridges, triangular monuments. So, for example, I know that you may be wondering that how can we use the Pythagoras theorem in our day-to-day life or in a real-life examples. For example, as you can see, this is a monument called the Louvre Pyramid in France, Paris. The builders used Pythagoras theorem to make this pyramid. If you zoom this Louvre Pyramid, you can see that it is fully made up of triangles. Another example is like when a boat is sailing in the sea, when it comes near to a lighthouse, we can see that this is the hypotenuse, perpendicular and the base side. And when a man is standing near a tree, we can say that we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. And over here, when we are like putting the ladder over a window to clean the window, you can see that this is Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.